everyone, it's Ezra Blaze 518, and today we're back here with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you Geometry Dash in a real life. So let's just get into the video. Wow. Okay, guys. So let's just get into the video. Wow. No, it doesn't. Okay, guys. This is our own Geometry Dash in real life. We have our own spikes. Ow! We have our own spikes. That hurt me. These are real life spikes, so don't you guys try this at home. Wait, did King Shamalot also do this? Maybe? I think. Okay, I'm doing this. I'm doing that. Did you see my last video with Cover Games? King Shamalot is our real king. Maybe we can start a triple spike in here. First is a triple spike. Or a 4 spike. Or maybe like a couple spikes. Okay. Maybe I should. Whoa! Okay, let's try that again. Maybe it's like back on track. We'll delete these. Oh no. Where is it? Where is it? Guys, tell me where is it? Yes, I did it! I made it. It's in my car. It's in the garage. Where my car is. Well, this. Ow! I just bumped my head. Ow! 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 Okay, guys. I'm back. And we have a couple spikes. And then next we need one spike. And then one spike over here. Like, we're gonna leave a gap in 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh! It sounds like Slice Overdose! Whoa! Maybe you should use that. Wow! I'm really is a genius. Oh wait! We're gonna break that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we need more spikes. We need more spikes. As like I got funny because I did that like this. Have any Jazzy Juice? Okay, I spent some time singing Jazzy Juice and while building these blocks. Now we need some of these and then this is gonna be so funny if I step on these. It will break actually. Ow! That tripped me. That made me trip. Okay. Okay, see you in the next hour. Okay, I'm back. Fixing all of those things. Yeah, and also these things. We still need to build a saw. How can I even build a saw? Oops, I just broke my leg. Oh no. Okay, at least we have these pipe things.
Bilan po. Yes po.
Well, I spent much hours singing in my microphone. It's like just like that. Okay, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next 9 days. Whoa. It's Thursday, and it's actually 2:44 p.m. while I'm recording this video right now. So I want you to guys know that this vest, I'm gonna play test it now because okay, let's just go. I call that level Sploink Overdose. Yeah, it breaks. It broke. It broke. I'm gonna okay. I'm gonna fix it. It's been 14 hours since I made it now. And here is the block finish. And I didn't do 100s of those. I will die if I do that. So here's the gameplay. I'm just gonna build it first, okay? Okay. Okay, it's been a month and I made a level now. So let's play test it. Okay. Editor, play the music. Yes, sir! We done it, and I gotta fix this for a couple hours. So,
sige po, i-test ko na lang po ng pagkakatulog. Ito po.
Kasi kanina pa rin yun. Ang agapan sa ito. May inaanak tayo. Ayan o.
may ilis ka na kaya?
Ay, guess pa ko ba? Ang hinahanap ko pa po. Opo, hinahanap ko pa po. Hinahanap ko pa po. Sige po ako. Sige po.
Mahirap hanapin.
Apo, yes po. Apo, yes po ako. Sige po ako.
Okay, it's been a month now, and guys, I finally cleaned it, and it's the end of the video. So hope you guys enjoy the next video. Hope you guys enjoy the next video. Okay, wow. Okay guys, wow.